Hey guys, welcome to my show, and today I'm trying this because this is something new. I haven't even tried it. So I just made this slime right here, as you can see. And you know how people do these videos with the soft clay? I never tried it on my slime, so I'm going to try it today. So let's go. So you can get these soft clays on Amazon if you want to. So yeah, let's get this open. So this is the soft clay. Let's just. It's so soft, y'all. It smells weird though. Okay. So I've never done this before. So do I put the whole thing in on this one? Let's just start with groups, y'all. So, one group in here. Let's see how it turns out, honestly, because I've never, ever done this before. See it. So let's just start mixing it. Oh. I like it, but look at my hands. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that off. Then it made my slime really black. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna add a little. This is just so satisfying to watch. Look, listen to the clicks. So let's just mix this all up. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the remaining of this. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get in. Wow. Here it is, look. Oof, I'm getting on the floor. Like, look at this. Ah. Wow. See, I don't know what I'm going to do with the remaining of this, honestly, so I'm just going to set this out to the side. And let's see. Like, I really love this. Don't mind this clay. If it's in the vid, I'm trying to get it out. Prize. It's so stretchy, y'all. Can it? And for once, For once, can it not be? There. So yeah. So if you try to do it, it's going to get on your hands kind of, but when you take a piece of your slime and give it, it's good. Oof. Look. So you guys, this is going to be for today's video. Bye!